Hello, this is a demonstration of my homework number 4. So for question 1 of homework number 4, this program contains a main method and a method display stock. The main method asks the user to enter the number of days in a given period and the share points on the first day. The number of days that is entered must not be less than 10 and more than 20. If it is not so, the user must be prompted to enter the input again with the following message. The number of days doesn't meet the required criteria. Enter it again. The method display stock is then called in order to output the specific day and share point values adjusted accordingly for each alternate day. So let's run this. As you can see, the machine will ask you to enter a number of days in the period. So let's try something ridiculous like 500. The machine will keep asking you for a valid input again and again until you enter something reasonable that does not throw the error. So let's try 11, which is the homework example. Now the machine accepts that number and asks you to enter the share points of the first day. Now let's use something from the homework example, which is 550. As you can see, the machine correctly outputs the correct amount of days and share points. Let's move on to question number 2, which has something unique, the share pattern class. The share pattern class is a program that contains the two fields number of days in a period and share points on the first day, and the method find final day share points, which would return the share points of the final day of the period specified by number of days in period field. But what's more important is homework number 4, question 2's demo. Let's move on to that. Why this is important is because this demo takes the find final day share points and the class share pattern and uses it in its code. So this program tests the share pattern class. The main method asks the user to enter the number of days in the specified period and the share points on the first day. Then the object share pattern class is created using the constructor. The main method will then output the share points of the final day by calling find final day share points. So let's run it. The machine will once again ask the user to input the number of days in the period. So again, if I enter something ridiculous like 600, we'll keep asking the user to enter something valid. So let's go back to using 11. For share points on the first day, let's use the homework example once again, 550. As you can see, the machine correctly outputs the share points on the final day would be 675. That is a demonstration of my homework 4. Thank you.